We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.